Hello everyone, welcome to Fullmoon Movies. Fast and Furious 4 revitalizes the franchise with a thrilling mix of high-speed action, family dynamics, and streetwise grit. Vin Diesel and Paul Walker reunite, breathing new life into their iconic characters. Dominic Toretto, Vin Diesel, and Brian O'Connor, Paul Walker, undergo significant development, deepening their personas. Dominic's unwavering loyalty and street-smart charisma shine, while Brian grapples with conflicting loyalties. Their evolving journey adds emotional depth beyond the fast cars. From the heart-pounding opening heist to the nail-biting climax, the film delivers relentless high-octane action. The contrast between high-tech heists and gritty street races keeps the energy levels consistently elevated. Fast and Furious 4 introduces a grittier tone, stepping away from the extravagant stunts to revisit the series' street racing origins. Now, these shifts add versatility to the franchise, showcasing its ability to explore themes of family and loyalty within the world of high-stakes crime. The film's standout scenes include intense and well-choreographed action sequences. The opening heist, featuring high-speed tunnel chases and daring maneuvers, immediately grabs the audience's attention. The contrast between sleek, high-tech heists and the raw underground street races adds a dynamic element. The film's climax, with its dramatic confrontations and high-stakes escape, keeps the audience on the edge of their seats. Fast and Furious 4 introduces a grittier and more grounded tone compared to some of its predecessors. It steps away from the flamboyant stunts and embraces a more realistic approach to action, bringing the series back to its street racing roots. Now, this change gives a contrast within the franchise, showcases its versatility, catering to both fans of over-the-top spectacle and those who appreciate a more grounded narrative. The film's themes of family, loyalty, and the thrill of the chase remain relevant. The exploration of characters dealing with moral dilemmas in a world of high-stake crime resonates with the audiences. Additionally, the film's focus on diverse cultures and the global underworld anticipates the series' evolution into a truly international phenomenon. Director Justin Lin brings a fresh perspective to the series, infusing it with dynamic visuals and innovative action sequences. The cinematography captures the speed and the intensity of the races, while the art design immerses viewers in the underground world of crime and car culture. The music, with its blend of hip-hop and electronic beats, complements the fast-paced action, creating a memorable sonic landscape. In conclusion, Fast and Furious 4 successfully navigates the curves of character development, providing a thrilling ride for both fans and newcomers. Its key scenes, contrast within the genre and series, continued relevance, and unique direction make it a standout installment in the Fast and Furious saga. So buckle up for a cinematic journey that still holds its own in the fast-paced world of action films. Now, this movie is a must-watch.